Make money on old stuff. You can make a lot of money out of your old stuff if you know what to do. Instead of throwing old things away that you consider junk, why not clean it up, find new uses for it and make some cash along the way? Your old stuff is something new to someone else, so take advantage. Here's how to make money on old stuff. Clean out your home. To get started, you need to collect all the old stuff you no longer want or need. Go through the attic, basement, closets and garage to find items you can discard and resell. This may take several days to do, depending on how organized you are and how much stuff you have, but it will be worth it. Clean the stuff. To bring back value to something, you need to get it looking like new again. For example, take the time to wipe down old plastic toys with some water mixed with a bit of dishwashing liquid to make it shiny and new looking again. Old stuff looks much nicer when it's been cleaned up or refurbished. If you're breathing new life to old furniture, you may want to give it a good wipe down, re-upholster it or get it revarnished as needed to get a better selling price for it. With a little tweaks, your old stuff will sell for much more than if you keep it looking dirty and grungy. Hold a garage sale. One of the easiest ways to make money from your old stuff is to hold a garage sale. Pick a payday weekend so people have more cash at hand. Lay out your stuff on your front lawn and put up a big sign so people can peruse through your merchandise. Don't be too attached to your things and allow people to bargain for items they like. Sell it online. The online market is another great place for you to sell your old stuff. eBay is a very popular site for you to make serious money from your things. Toys, comic books, memorabilia, and just about anything can be sold on eBay. Auction the items. Another way you can make money from your old things is to have an auction. This is especially great if you have an entire home filled with stuff. Coordinate with an agent to hold an estate sale. Antique furniture, vintage accessories, and jewelry sell especially well at auctions. Sell or consign the items at vintage shops. If you have mounds of clothes that no longer fit or are in style, bring it to a vintage shop. Styles recycle, so what's retro to you is trendy to someone else. You can also consign purses, bags, shoes and other accessories. Price the items properly. Regardless of how you well sell the items, the key is to make sure that you price it competitively. Don't price it too high that no one in their right mind would buy it, but don't price it too low that you sell yourself short. Research and ask around a going rate of items, or at the very least, sell the item for less than half for a similar brand new item. Unless it's something that accumulates value over time, this is the way to go. When you're done getting rid of your old stuff, you'll now have more room in your home and money to boot. There's money to be made in your things. You just need to know what to do.